Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your Vivo Y11. Make sure the battery is above 20% and you're unlocked, because you'll be changing system UI. Once ready, go straight to Settings and find Control Center and Status Bar. On some builds it's labeled Shortcut and Control Center. Tap that entry. If there's a toggle to enable the new Control Center, turn it on. This initial step exposes the customization options, so you can immediately access layout and quick toggle editing without extra setup. Once in the Control Center settings, choose Edit or Customize. This is where you design the panel. Drag desired quick toggles from the available pool into the active area to add them, and drag out ones you don't need to remove them. Make sure to arrange frequently used functions near the top left for faster reach. If your firmware offers style or layout choices, switch them now and pick a toggle count that fits your swipe pattern, because the position and density determine how fast you access features. To finish, exit Settings and invoke the Control Center with the usual swipe gesture to verify the changes. Test each toggle to confirm behavior. If something feels off, go back into Customize and tweak positions or swap tiles. Make sure to save or exit cleanly so changes persist. If the Control Center doesn't update, reboot the phone, then retry. If problems continue, use the Reset or Restore defaults option in Control Center settings to recover a working layout.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.